Who's after a recipe for Halloween mulled cider?
Okay, so I know I look absolutely ridiculous, but anything for YouTube. Now, I'm gonna make my shrunken apple head. So I've actually found these little mini apples in my supermarket. So just take the peeler and just peel those all the way around. And then we're gonna get a little bit creative. You can go whichever way you wanna go. I like the little pumpkin faces on them. So, once it's peeled, grab yourself a little Stanley blade or a little knife and we go to work. So I'm just using one of these little Stanley blades. I'm just gonna make a nice little smile in there. You can cut some teeth out like I've done on some of the other ones. So just get that in there, just remove those little bits of apple. Okay, now, you can get as creative as you want, but I found just some stupid little tools. This little thing, something I took out of my tap the other day when it was broken. And these make the most incredible eyes. So just squeeze that in there, look at that. So just look around what you've got lying in the house. So there's the eyes. And then something else I know you've all got, a little stop for a wine bottle. Just use those to make a couple of little nostrils. Boom. Repeat with the rest of the apples, then pop onto a baking tray and then into a preheated oven set at 140, gas mark 1 for around an hour to an hour and a half, just until they've shrunken down. And then we are ready to make our mulled cider. The key to any creepy mulled cider is some decent cider. So being a West Country boy, I couldn't go far wrong with a bit of Thatcher's. Now, my mates wouldn't let me live it down if I didn't use something for the West Country, but get that into a pan. Let's double team it. So get that into your pan, and now we want to add some aromatics. So here, I've got the zest of one orange, just peeled. I've got 4 to 5 pieces of fresh ginger, just chopped into slices. Got 1 stick of cinnamon. And then I have some star anise and a few cloves. So about 8 cloves going in as well. Stick that into the pan, bring it up to a simmer and let that go for around 20 minutes. Now if you want a child-friendly version, instead of the cider, use apple juice in its place. Now come and check out my shrunken heads. Look at these beauties. I absolutely love them. How incredible do they look? And these are going to look even better when they're floating in that cider. So just before serving, pop the shrunken heads into the mulled cider. How cool do they look? And they should float in there. Bring that to the table along with the ladle, and everyone gets to work. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. The recipe for my Halloween mulled cider is down in the description. And I will see you next week for some more hot food. Happy Halloween.